Yeah, just showing a small video for our 5 gas analyzer Mexa 584L. This is basically the analyzer. It's got various components that I will explain you in the course of the video. Mexa 584L is a highly popular analyzer in the field of emission analysis, and it is highly used in R&D application across all the automotive sector. So whenever we switch on the equipment, it takes 5 minutes of warm up. So currently the machine is in warm up state. I'll explain you the parts in the meantime. Yeah, uh, this is our Mexa, and this is the drain separator, and this is sampling probe. You can look at here. Yeah, this is the pipe, sampling pipe, and it connects to the probe assembly. This is the section that is actually inserted in the vehicle over the sampling point, and this is a standard probe that I am showing. And in case of customization, we need to give you some different probe as per your application. Along with that, I'm just showing some more things, like this is the dust filter. Whenever the sample enters the analyzer, so before the final bench, this is the dust filter that is used to it is actually used to filter the final emission. What I mean to say is, this is the initial filter. It is having a filter inside. Yes. So after the sample passes this, it goes through the this channel via this sampling pipe through drain separator, and after that it enters the Mexa. In the Mexa, we have this filter, and there's another filter at the back, this one. So the purpose is basically to ensure that the sample that reaches the bench is the purest form of the sample. Along with that, we are having this O2 sensor, this galvanic O2 sensor that is used for the measurement. It's new, so I'm not opening it, and I'll tell you the fitment area. It is actually fitted over here. There are two screws, this one and another one is this one. So whenever we open it, there's a section which is used for the purpose. Along with that, as we will give you the analyzer, we will give you a certificate of calibration gas as well. So this is the gas canister that is used for the same purpose, and there's a port from where we put the gas inside the analyzer and get it calibrate. Alongside, we also have filter box. If some customer requires, then we can provide it. It's having all the three kind of filters. Now it's 42 seconds, and machine is on the verge of getting started. As the time will pass on, it will take the machine to a leak check, for which I will block the sampling probe. Look. So as a filter clogged sample is sampling symbol is coming at the bottom, it shows the line is getting choked. Okay, so now it's showing pass because we have choked the line, and it ensures that there is no leakage. After the leak check, we have this HC hang up test, and whenever we have a measurement, prior to the measurement, machine verifies itself for the content of HC in the emission. and it takes the emission accordingly. There's a zero calibration which is done by the air at the back. At this end, inside the machine, we are having an air filter. We need to open this whole assembly for the same, from where the this air passes and ensures the zero calibration. So whenever we are doing HC hang up test, it's getting passed now. Okay, so this purpose is basically to get the HC, ensure that the HC content in the whole sampling line is below 20. Otherwise it will lead to higher readings of the HC and may fail your tests and all. And this is a display where various kind of things are there, like COHC, CO2, lambda. We can toggle the menu as well. It's showing COHC, CO2, O2, NO, RPM and oil temperature. All the standard, there are certain standard parameters that we give, and apart from that, customer can customize the equipment with RPM, oil temperature, NO, everything they can do. You can see the quality of the display. It's high quality LED display that I'm showing you. So whenever we press the measure button, measurement will start, and prior to the measurement, machine will verify itself for the HC hang up test, and there will be zero calibration. Zero calibration is basically done to ensure the lower point of any kind of calibration. Like suppose you are measuring 10 ppm of gas. Okay, so in 10 ppm of gas, 10 ppm is high one, so you are calibrating with the span. It means higher value. Then what about the lower value? For lower value, we need to verify and calibrate via zero calibration. Now it's getting passed, and now you can see the measurements. Yes. This is just a random measurement. I will blow some air and you will see how the emission changes. Look. As the line will get choked in any way, machine will get switch off. Measurement to standby it will come on. Now I'll blow some air. That's it. Thank you so much.